Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, and today we have some sealed Skylanders I'm going to be opening. We have Hurricane Jetvac and his Jetstream, and we have Astro Blast, the Sky Trophy, and we also have the Sunrunner. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with Hurricane Jetvac and the Jetstream. Can't really do this anyway because I'm using it with this, so let's see if I can... I'm gonna have to do something like this. Get to see my face, so here we go. Here is the Jetstream. I actually got a really good deal on these, for sealed at least. Also have a couple other Skylanders I'm going to be showing today. It's going to be an unboxing and collection update video. But that new Skylander smell. Of course, we have their stickers, stuff like that too. And of course, we have the actual Skylanders themselves. So we have, gotta be careful because don't want to hurt them, but we have the Jetstream. Very nice. And of course we have Hurricane Jetvac. Very cool. And now I'm going to go ahead and get this trash out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and move on to Astro Blast, the Sky Trophy, and the Sunrunner. I actually got a pretty decent deal on this, I would imagine, as they are all sealed, which I found to be really neat. It's a big thing too. They're all sealed, which you may not think is a real big deal. You know, they're all sealed, who cares, but never had to be able to open up Skylanders, let alone have I opened up anything from Superchargers era. So, we have his vehicle. Oh yeah, it's actually an air vehicle. So this is the Sunrunner. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And of course we have if I can get it out. Never thought these would be so much of a pain in the ass to get out, but lo and behold, we are here. So afraid to. Okay, there we go. There's the Sky Trophy. And here is Astro Blast. Heard a lot of interesting things about Astro Blast, actually. There's Astro Blast. Let's go ahead and get rid of the trash. Oh, we also forgot their stickers. Keeping these for collection sakes, but still. And of course, we have a couple new ones to my collection. So we have Punk Shock. We have Whamshell. I mean, my bad, Lightcore Whamshell. He's the reprint Lightcore version. The Sky Slicer. Stormblade, the Stealth Stinger, and then of course we have Chill, or Series 3 Chill, and Dunebug. Well, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, that was my update video, and I hope you have a good day.